how to test on the schematic. Burada iyi bir güvenlik sistemimiz when they get finished working on the license, then working on them.
Precision engineering at its best. The robotic arms have exceeded expectations on the chassis, and the engine assembly is flawless. Excellent. Send it to assembly.
Looks good. Let's install it.
Quality test successful. Drive it out. The engine is secure. Move it to paint. Copy that. Moving to paint. Let's attach those wheels.
The heart of the machine beats. And the beast is ready to run.
Stop here. That's good.
Now, robotic arm 4, begin the cabin install sequence.
Welcome to the Studebaker production line. Here we assemble the rugged US6 from start to finish. Our engineers oversee every precision step.
Excellent work, team. This unit is flawless and ready for deployment.
The Studebaker US6 is assembled here with precision, combining raw materials into a rugged military vehicle. Excellent precision on the frame. Move to the engine bay, starting final diagnostics. Drive it out. The raw materials are ready. Chassis assembly complete. Quality check successful. Final assembly engaged. Good to go. Drive it out. The Studebaker US6, from raw materials to the assembly line to the paint booth, perfection at every step. Now, witness its final test. The materials are ready. Starting the cutting sequence now. Quality check complete. Move to assembly. Running the final tests on the engine. Ready for deployment. Excellent. The truck is ready for final assembly. Complete. The painting process is finished. Outstanding work, team. Let's roll it out. The raw materials have arrived. Precision cutting is underway. Chassis assembly is complete. Reporting the final vehicle ready for testing, sir. Ensure the torque is precise on this engine block. Affirmative. Checking the specs now. Good. Let's get the cab aligned next.
The
heart of the US6 production, where precision and quality converge. From raw steel to military green.
The chassis is ready for welding. Commence welding sequence. Now entering the paint booth. Testing engine start. Final quality check complete. Approved for release.
The steel sheets are arriving. Initiate CNC cutting sequence. Chassis assembly is at 80%. Proceed with welding.
The journey begins, transforming steel into a legend. Precision engineering at work. The US6, ready for anything.
The raw materials are ready. Initiate CNC cutting sequence. Chassis assembly complete. Engine installed. Quality check passed. Final reveal.
Ensure the frame alignment meets the Studebaker US6 specifications. Frame alignment checked, proceeding to cabin installation. Verified paint thickness.
Есть тоже свои трофеи печи оценен на боны главтомечи. Не высял обуснавлен и моровей горем совет.
Excellent. Let's move these sheets here. Precise assembly, everyone. Attach the cross members there. Paint team, maintain the coating. Okay. The raw materials are ready for shaping. Watch the precision of the robotic welds on the chassis. This engine assembly is critical. Welcome to the Studebaker US 6 factory. Here, precision meets power. Building rugged reliability, peace.
The journey begins with raw materials.
High precision manufacturing in action.
The final assembly preparing for testing.
The journey begins, transforming raw materials into a machine of precision.
Each cut, each weld, a step towards
The journey begins.
Precise cutting.
Assembly in motion. Quality tested.
Chassis assembly is perfect. Move it to paint. Quality control complete. Roll out the first unit.
Excellent precision on the steel.
The robotic arms are calibrated perfectly.
This finish is flawless, ready for the field. The raw materials are ready. Initiate laser cutting protocols. Chassis frame assembly complete. Final inspection. Approved.
Excellent work, team. We're right on schedule. Ready for testing, Commander. Excellent progress, team. The chassis is solid. Engines are ready for install. Perfect. Take it to final assembly. Running quality checks now. Outstanding work, everyone. The engine's hard, powerful, and tested. Ready for the road. The Studebaker US 6. Durable, dependable, designed for action. See the journey from steel to soldier. Excellent work. It's ready, it's ready, it's ready. Let's roll it out.
Excellent. The assembly is complete. Test drive initiated. Authorization granted.
The journey begins, from raw steel to the heart of the engine. Precision shapes the chassis, strength defines the build. demonstrating silver hangs. The chassis is structurally sound, featuring a heavy-duty ladder frame. Outstanding work featuring body alignment.
Đi trong cháo tôi cái kinh nghiệm company, có bộ trái tim nó cao tí điểm. Después que tim da tipita, đi trong bảo cái số kỹ đến có sinh viên có đi ra cho mình đi.
All right, align the engine carefully, locking it into place. Perfect. We're ready for testing. This is the Studebaker US6, built with precision and power. Observe the rugged construction and reliable engine, ready for any challenge.
The chassis is structurally sound. Welding complete. Moving to panel installation. Coating looks perfect. Initiate final assembly sequence.
The Studebaker US6 engages the obstacle course. Careful over the twisted metal, it's handling the concrete slope perfectly. We have full green on the diagram. From raw steel to a fully functional, rugged military vehicle, our precision engineering at work.
Welcome to the Studebaker US6 for my decision. See the chassis come together, paint coat applied.
The raw materials arrive. CNC machines cut the steel. The chassis is assembled by robots. Quality testing is complete.
Venture. The raw materials are here. Precise cuts are essential. The engine is ready. The engine is secure.
Hay của niên nhiều sẽ biếtยิงที่หักระบบที่วิตายิงยึดเป็นจริงยิงสองจะเพ่งมิดที่ยิงมิดตาดีครับโดยต้องมีตัว
Metering bay, the heart of the US6, ready for installation. Precision cuts, ensuring everything fits perfectly. The engine merge, the chassis is structurally sound and ready for assembly.
We're moving it to the paint booth now.
Outstanding finish. Let's take it for a test run.
The raw materials arrive.
Swimming.
Precision cutting and chassis assembly. Engines and cabins are built and painted.
The raw materials are here. Let's begin the assembly. Running the CNC. Engines ready for installation. Quality check confirmed. Let's roll. The journey of a legend. The Studebaker US6.
A true workhorse, reborn.
Ready for action.
The raw materials are ready. Chassis assembly is complete.
Paint application is flawless.
Final assembly is finished. Prepare for testing. Ensure the welding tolerances are exact on the chassis.
Confirmed. Final checks complete.
Proceed with paint.
Initiate spray sequence.
Exceptional build. Final deployment.
The raw materials have arrived.
Precision cutting and shaping is complete.
Chassis assembly and welding are on schedule.